Most of the times the relationship between sets we can represent by diagram. We have some sets and they will have some relation. That relation we can represent by diagram. ठीक है? That diagram is called Venn diagram. ठीक है? In this diagram consists of rectangles, rectangle and circles or ellipse, but generally we use circle only. ठीक है? Rectangle will represent your universal set. U is universal set, है ना? So this is your rectangle, universal set, and all its subsets will, for all its subset will use circles or ellipse, but generally we use circle. So all the circles will come inside this rectangle. Depends on the conditions. ठीक है? We'll see the all the conditions. So this relation between sets, these sets and U, we can represent by this diagram. ठीक है? Take an example. U has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 elements U has. Its one subset A has element 1, 2, 5. ठीक है? So this relation we want to represent by diagram. So how we can represent? So for U we have to use rectangle. So all the elements of this rectangle, this U will come inside this rectangle. ठीक है? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should write inside this rectangle. Then elements of A 1 to 5 should be in A. So for A we have to use one circle. So we can use one circle for A. This is our set A. It is subset of U, so it is inside U, means inside the rectangle. So A has elements 1, 2 and 5. So inside the circle, wherever we want, inside only the circle, we can write 1, 2, 5. Wherever we want to write inside the circle, we can write elements 1 to 5. Now the remaining elements of U, that is 3, 4 and 6. We will write inside this rectangle, but not in the circle, because these are the elements of U only, not of A. So inside, except the circle, wherever we want, we can write 3, then 4, 6. So this is our Venn diagram for this relation. ठीक है? One more example we take. U has elements 1 to 10, or we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Its subsets are A having elements 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, and one more subset B having elements 3 and 6. ठीक है? Now this sets we want to write as diagram. So for U we use rectangle. This is our universal set U. Now inside this U, inside this rectangle we write A and B. So if you see here, elements of B, है ना, this all 3 and 6 are in A also. It means B is subset of A. These are the subsets of U only, but again in that B is subset of A. So first if you write A, and this is about your set A, and B is subset of A, so B will come inside this A. This is our set B. Getting B is subset of A. A and B are subsets of U, so A and B will come in this rectangle, but B is subset of A, so B will be inside this set A. ठीक है? Now B has elements 3 and 6, so 3 and 6 we can write inside this B, but it is a part of circle A, part of set A, है ना? This circle is part of this bigger circle. So 3, 6 elements of A already we written. Now the remaining elements of A, 1, 4 and 7. So that we can write in this area, है ना? Exterior of B. So 1 we can write here, 4 we can write here, 7 wherever you want, right, in this exterior part of B. So 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 elements of A over. Now the remaining elements of U, है ना? 2 is not there, 2, then 4 over, 3 over, then 5, then 8, 9, 10. These are the remaining elements of U. So that will write inside this rectangle, but not in the circles. So 2 we can write here, 5, then 8, 9, 10. Wherever we want we can write, but not in the circles. Okay? So like this sets you can represent by diagram. This is our Venn diagram for this sets. Okay?